Say hi, Mommy.
Hi!
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me.
So we're in the dark. We're glowing in the dark. Magpapamasahe kami ni Mommy. So tapos na kami magpamasahe ni Mama. How was your masahe experience?
Great!
Okay, so the massage was great, but I have a funny story kasi I sort of had a mental breakdown. Mga 2 seconds lang naman. Higa tayo paharap. So naka-expose yung likod, 'di ba? So okay lang naman yung likod kasi yun naman talaga yung normal. Tsaka dun tayo sanay, 'di ba? Yung sa likod. But then, mga 5 minutes later, umabot siya dun sa baba. Then she started removing my cyclings and my underwear, and my brain went like, oh, nag-malfunction siya, and I was like, my ass is sticking out, my ass is sticking out. Pero after naman nun, nung minasahay niya na, it was relaxing. I felt relief. Like, I swear to God, I think I felt the connection between her hands and my butt.
Okay.
I think they're in love. I think my butt and her hands are in love. So 1 hour and a half na yon, my butt was sticking out. After nun naman, wala na akong pakialam. You can stare at my ass anytime. So we're going home. And pagod na ako. I'm just filming this because the lighting is superb. Superb. Like, look how it's... Wow, isn't that amazing? Good morning. Say hi. Say hi to the video. Baby viewers. Hello. What are you doing? So hi guys. I'm going to put on some fake nails for our trip tomorrow because I have hideous nails right now. So, okay, I actually bought a lot. See, I want something that will go with my outfits. So how you guys been doing? I'm currently on my break before the 2nd semester of my 3rd year college. I couldn't feel the semester break. I always felt tired. Responsibilities with school. That's why I couldn't calm or ease my mind that I am really in a break. So, and also we had our pre-registration already, so medyo enrolled na ako. So magpahinga ba ako? The glue one, yeah, actually there you can really use tape na lang, but ang tape kasi one time big time lang talaga. I don't want naman na nagtatanggal ako ng may mga natatanggal ako mga nails doon. So at least mas kakapit siya. Sometimes it damages your nails, kaya nga wag mo siya laging gamitin. And also, dapat tanggalin mo siya kung paano siya talaga tinatanggal. Ang ingay ng aso ko. Anyways, okay, so I'm done putting the nails. And look at them, it's so pretty. Oh, wait, it's not going to focus, but that's what it looks like. So I'll be back with you guys kapag papunta na kami sa pupuntahan namin. So it's a surprise. So going somewhere today and we're gonna stay there for a little while, so that's why I'm getting ready. This is my outfit. It's really pretty. I really love this outfit so much. Yeah, so I'm trying to get ready right now, so I'll see you when medyo mas maayos na ako kaysa dito. Okay, we're ready now and we're gonna go. Oh. ghosts in there. Ayan o, ang ganda ng view pa na. Yun o. It's so beautiful.
I never meant to make you cry. You were right. Just leave me be.
Wow! Wow, it's a full body mirror! Wow! We're just chilling. So where we went is TAAL VISTA Hotel in Tagaytay. So it's a staycation for us. So, yeah, here's my dad. He's golfing. Dad, what are you doing?
I'm just potting.
Yes. Just trying. Yeah, I'm doing that. That's what he does every time. And my mom's asleep. I don't want to show her. I forgot who this is. Is this Gudetama or something? Oh no, it's just an ordinary chick. A volcano eruption cake. Wow. Wow.
Sa Azora be.
I know Unog. How is it?
Tastes like volcano.
It's tasted. Ah, there's chocolate inside. Oh, there's the chocolate. Oh, okay.
The chocolate is so nice.
It's nice. Oh, okay. Yeah, a bit of cream. Let's see. What chocolate is that? Wait,
Parang pure lahat na.
para siyang, anong chocolate yun? Yung bilog? Ferrero. Yum.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right.
Dinner time.
Up a fight.
Damn, the city lights. Seryahan.
Check the time.
So how is your staycation, Mom?
Enjoy, masaya. Hi! It's so cold here.
True.
Pag
kita ba?
that's the Albay
City
night.
lights.
Hi!
Good morning, guys. So, my parents went out and got breakfast, and I usually stay here because hindi ako makain agad ng breakfast, but I wanted to swim kasi muna. And yeah. And actually, I'm wearing my swimsuit right now. So technically, this is my swimsuit. Isn't it pretty? And good morning. Oh, the sun.
Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday you left, it feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Our last day today, actually, I'm packing na kami and we're gonna go home. Pero dadaan muna kami sa SM. Here's my fit. It's pretty. How was your stay, Mom? Did you
Yeah,
have-
great. I did enjoy it. I will save again for our next family trip.
Okay, nice. How was your stay, Dad?
Oh, it's okay.
Overall, it was fine.
Every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time.
Look what I found. Ay, hindi pala. Butas pala to. This is so cute. And that one. Anong sinabi nung friend mo sa'yo nung umalis na siya?
Alin dyan?
Farewell!
Bakit upper?
Farewell! Okay, so tapos namin sa SNR and sobrang saya ko kasi bibili kami ng Jamba Juice. Wow! Nice po. Yeah, thank you. This is Caribbean Passion. Hi guys! Yes, as you can see, nakauwi na ako and I'm super tired. May period tracker kasi ako and then sabi niya by February 1 magkakaroon ako. Pero usually naman kasi hindi agad-agad nangyayari yun. So I thought ngayong pag-uwi namin ako magkakaroon. Sa Tagaytay kami nagkaroon ako, sis. So this might be the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Really enjoyed filming this kasi I actually filmed a lot of things and I hope you guys enjoyed and ayun. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.